Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Crypto Daily Trade Signals coming to you live from Vietnam, guys. This is our morning drive time update for you guys, and hopefully you guys are having a great day out there. Remember, this video is not financial advice. I'm not a licensed financial advisor, and this video is just for education and entertainment purposes only. I've got a great city in the background, guys. I got mountain, I've got sea, and I've got you out there in YouTube land making this all possible. So I just want a big shout out, lots of love to everybody out there in the house. And today we got lots to talk about. You know, we knew this was going to happen. Absolutely knew this was going to happen. We see that Shiba Inu right now is breaking out to the upside, so this is really good. And, you know, we could be challenging all-time highs pretty soon. We see that also Dogecoin is doing pretty good. Dogecoin is, you know, moving to the upside again. Could we see 30 cents coming in pretty soon? I'm pretty confident that we could see that. And, you know, we saw that Bitcoin did go back down to 65,000. Everybody was panicking and everybody was going nuts. But you guys remember a week ago when Bitcoin hit $65,000, everybody was cheering, everybody was going crazy. And, you know, there was a lot of euphoria in the market. And, you know, when we had that slight correction, and, you know, the reason we had that correction was because, once again, we had $700 million worth of leveraged positions that got liquidated. So, once again, I always tell everybody it's super duper dangerous in the house to be leverage trading. You do not want to leverage trade. Leverage trading is absolutely bad. Don't leverage trade if you're out there. And, you know, even professionals, when they leverage trade, they often get wrecked, guys. So, you and me, amateur crypto enthusiasts, how can you expect us to time the markets, be ahead of the market? It's really impossible. And remember, a lot of exchanges, they don't want to pay out, so they tend to, you know, a last minute drive prices down to hit the max pain level. And also, too, we saw some Evergrande news coming out that was pure FUD. It was absolutely pure, unadulterated FUD that was happening with that. And one of the reasons that we saw that was because they wanted to drive down the leverage longs, guys. So that's why that was happening. So you guys just need to understand that it was pure manipulation. So it looks like things are coming back up. We're also going to talk about TechDev. TechDev is, you know, he's comparing the 2013-2017 bull runs to 2021 bull run. And we anticipate that we're going to see a huge explosion coming by the end of the month. And, you know, even Plan B and others are saying that this bull run could possibly extend into January, maybe even as late as February. So that would be really interesting. So, you know, some people are still saying that $200,000 is incoming. You know, $10,000 for you know, Ethereum. So this is looking pretty good. And, you know, absolutely, if you know, Bitcoin 3x's from here, where do you think that's going to send the altcoins? The altcoins are absolutely going to 3x, 4x, 5x, and even 10x in some cases, depending on the project. So, you know, where does that leave Shiba Inu? Where does that leave Dogecoin? And remember, I love Dogecoin. I love Shiba Inu. I love all the cryptocurrencies out there. Remember, I'm agnostic when it comes to cryptocurrency, but all I will say is never ever invest in any projects that are younger than 2 years, because you don't want to get wrecked, guys. And look what happened in the Squid games. That was a complete rug pull, guys. So if you like this channel, like what you're hearing so far, do not forget to go down there, smash the likes. It looks like that. Smash the like, subscribe in the house, guys. And yeah, so it's about a second day out of the hospital, so I'm getting more pep in my step and feeling a little bit more positive out there. So hopefully you're loving the OG like I'm loving you guys. So it's a great time to be alive. So before we jump into some of the details, I just want to welcome some new minty fresh subscribers, these subscribers. Just subscribe like today. Yay. We got Sabor in the house. We got Moham. We got MR, Fine Hearts, we got Naveen, we got Boosted Intentions, and we got Gerald Yang in the house, guys. So thank you for being, you know, new subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for all the love, guys. I appreciate it. So right now, if we take a look at a tweet. This is I just want to review some of the performance of some of the coins this year, so we can see that Shiba Inu is up over 81,000%. Axie Infinity 47,000. Terra Luna is up 15,000%. We're seeing that Solana is up 12,000%, guys. This is from this is performance in the past year, okay? Just so you know the performance in the past year. Polygon is up 10,000%. Dogecoin is up 9,000%. Binance Coin is up 2,177%. Cardano is up over 1,890. Theta is up over 1,000%. Polkadot's up let's call it 1,000%. It's 997 actually, to be exact in the membrane. Ethereum is up 926. And Uniswap is up 775%. XRP is up 375%, and Bitcoin is up 298%. So you can still see that Shiba Inu is the most the biggest project in the history of mankind with the highest returns, guys. It's amazing, guys. 81,000%. Can you believe that, guys? So no, I made a mistake. Not 81,000, 81 million%. My bad. So all the Shiba Inu, Doge Army and Shiba Inu Army, don't beat me up, I got it wrong. All right, guys. So some other news that's coming in right now, guys. We can see this. This is from TechDev, and you know, he's saying that it looks like $200,000 or $300,000 Bitcoin looks like it's almost pre-programmed. And you know, if we look at the 2013 where we are, and we look at the Fibonacci extensions, it looks like we're going to hit that Fibonacci extension. If we do hit that, that calls for $200,000 to $300,000 Bitcoin coming in. This is amazing news, and this is all the technicals, and this is TechDev, and he's saying that if we see something similar happening, it looks like we're seeing the similar patterns. Remember, history doesn't repeat, but it definitely rhymes in the house, guys. So we could be looking at, you know, more than $100,000, maybe $200,000 in for Bitcoin. So some other news that's coming out as well out there. We also see that you know, this is from Cryptos R Us, in case you're wondering where it came from. George, if you're watching, I love you, child, but brother, thank you for all this data and information. So Bitcoin close to flipping crucial Fibonacci levels. The recent alpha from TA expert TechDev signals the final parabolic leg of Bitcoin to run this cycle and maybe upon us. However, this has not quite been confirmed, as highlighted in the chart below. So you can see that if you look at this chart, let's zoom up this chart, guys. You can see here that, you know, in 2017 we had a first rejection here, and then close above the stats finally daily, and then we had another first rejection here, and we saw that here back in May, right? We had this huge rejection, and then currently the candle is above this level. So you can see we hit our tops at the Fibonacci level of 2.272 in 2017. We also saw we hit the tops at Fibonacci level 2.72 in 2013. So where we are right now, we're at the Fibonacci 1.618, guys. So that's looking pretty bullish. And if we do hit the same Fibonacci level that we have in the past bull cycles, this calls for absolutely $200,000 Bitcoin incoming. So it's most likely that this is going to happen. I mean, history doesn't repeat, but it definitely rhymes. So, you know, I think $100,000 incoming is going to be absolutely easy in the membrane, guys. Some other stuff that's coming out right now, we can see that a few days ago we had a mysterious wallet, whale wallet, that transferred 20 trillion SHIB tokens from Crypto.com. That's about $1.3 billion. This is the biggest whale movement across Shiba Inu in 2021. So, you know, you can still see that a lot of tokens are moving, a lot of stuff is happening. And, you know, we saw that the past couple of days, we saw that Shiba Inu was down. And most of that was due to the, you know, basically Robinhood coming out, the CTO coming out and saying that they're not going to list Shiba Inu. So that's why we saw, you know, always like buy the rumors, guys, sell the news. So the news is they're not listing. That's the news, guys. Robinhood is not listing. I don't know what's wrong with them. Maybe they got something wrong with their brain pan up there, you know. So it's insane in the membrane, guys. Smash the like, show some love for the OG in the house. You know, I want to get it, guys. And don't forget to make a comment, guys. Also, we also saw that Kraken has decided that it's also not going to list Shiba Inu, while the listing in September. Meanwhile, Kraken Exchange has made it clear that it's still vetting this possibility. So a lot of people, a lot of exchanges still saying they're waiting. So I don't know what they're waiting for, because we got Crypto.com, we got Coinbase listing Shiba Inu. So what's the problem? Well, it's not a regulatory thing. I have no idea. They don't like to get revenue from exchange fees. I don't know what's going on with these. Well, let them be, guys. So if they don't want to do it, let them be. So also some other positive news that's a real good catalyst is that Miami will hand out free Bitcoin to its residents from profits on a city coin. So as you guys know, that Miami created this Miami token, and it's being distributed for residents. They can use it for buying and selling stuff, and all the dividends from that is going to be redistributed to the residents. So they're going to be all the residents are going to get their own Bitcoin wallet. Or if they have a Bitcoin wallet, they have to register, and so all the dividends are going to go to the Miami residents. And we're seeing that New York is doing the same thing. They're going to release their own New York token. Also, Philadelphia is looking at, and they're going to be redistributing the dividends from that. So that's really good news, guys. So you can see more and more big states are looking at blockchain technology as a medium and a payment system, guys. So it's kind of like they're creating their own like CBDC within their own state. So that's really good. So hopefully at some point, the whole of the US will have their own CBDC for the whole country. So that's really amazing news, guys. Let's take a look at the fear and greed index. So right now, the fear and greed index is slightly down from where it was yesterday. So it's at 74, but it's still looking pretty greedy in the house, guys. So remember, never swim against the whales, swim with the whales, guys. So let's jump into TA. Let's take a look at the total market cap right now. So the total market cap in the house right now, guys, and gals, and aliens. My alien snoozing. If you wonder where the aliens is snoozing right now, and the market cap is at 2.94 trillion, and the volume's a little bit light. Remember, it's a bit of a long weekend, right? Because we had Veterans Day yesterday, and I believe that a lot of people taking Friday off and going on a mini vacation. Taking the 4 days off, right? So Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, and everything should be back up on Monday. So I expect Monday most of the markets are going to pump. You can take that to the bank, guys. Take it to the bank, guys. And we're seeing that the Bitcoin dominance is coming down, so that's really good because that's going to signal that the altcoins are going to start to pump like crazy, guys. So let's take a look at Bitcoin in the house right now. So Bitcoin is trading at around 64,800. So it's kind of just going sideways right now between 64 and 65. And I think we're probably going to see some blast off. Sorry for the pop up. We're going to see some blast off action probably happening on Monday when people get out of this long weekend, guys. And if we look at Bitcoin on the 4-hour chart, we still see that right now Bitcoin is at 64,998. So it's just slightly above our support. We have key support is 65,000. So if Bitcoin can maintain that $65,000 level, then we should be looking pretty good, and hopefully we should be retesting our all-time highs of 68,500 in the next couple of days. But I'm still pretty bullish. If you look at TechDev and all the data, by the end of December we could see definitely over $100,000 incoming, guys. And I think this bull run is probably going to extend itself to January and February, and we can see that January and February we could also start to see that the altcoin season is going to heat up. It's going to be frothy, it's going to be foamy, it's going to be insane in the membrane. Smash the likes. What are you waiting for? And guys, if you're watching and you want to ask OG a question and you want to get your question noticed, please provide a super chat. That will draw my attention. I can answer your question, guys. So any questions that you guys have would be appreciated if you could provide a super chat with any of those questions, guys. Support the channel any way you can. So if we take a look at Ethereum right now, and now Ethereum is doing pretty good. It's still trading in my channel line. This is resistance at the top line. This is support here. So we're still on target to hit my $8,000 by the end of the year. It could even go as high as 10,000. So I'm looking pretty bullish on that. So Ethereum is looking pretty good, and we're just like going in this whole channel line. So it's looking pretty good, guys. So I wouldn't worry about Ethereum right now, and it's trading at 4,774. It's slightly up today, so it's pretty good. And I think we're going to be testing all-time highs. The gas fees are still pretty high in my opinion, but they're going to come down, guys. And as Ethereum moves to 2.0, that's also going to be adjusting stuff. Another pop-ups. I hate the pop-ups. So Dogecoin in the house. What's happening with Dogecoin? Dogecoin is at 2660. It looks like it's making a break to the upside, and we needed to get back inside this channel. This was a resistance before. This now become resistance, and if this happens, then we can easily test our 32-cent zone here. So I think that Dogecoin is going to giddy up and get back into that channel line. So I'm just going to leave it as is. I do believe that we have another huge descending triangle from the top here all the way to here, and that's going to send it all the way down here and the red here, and this is acting as huge resistance. So we really need to break out of that, and we should break out if we get closer to the apex here this triangle. We should break to the upside, get back in that channel, and that will send us on our way back up to the promised line of 30 cents. I'm still pretty bullish around about 94 cents for the closing this month. Remember, this is not financial advice. This is me expressing my opinion, and do not forget to turn on two-factor authentication, guys. That's really important. Let's take a look at Shiba Inu in the house right now. So Shiba Inu has making a good run right now. And right now, Shiba Inu is trading at 53.66. I gotta look down. My eyes are no good. And it's just this was support yesterday. It's become resistance again, slight resistance. So we have got rejected from the 55 level, and right now, as I said, we're at 53. Where do I see Shiba Inu? I think we're gonna go sideways for the next 12 hours, and then I think we're gonna have a breakout to the upside. So it's looking pretty bullish. I think Shiba Inu on the whole is looking pretty bullish right now, guys. So I really wouldn't panic too much. I think Shiba Inu is going to do pretty good. It's going to outperform the market, and it's up around about 3.5% right now. So that's looking pretty good in the house for Shiba Inu. So don't panic, guys. Dollar cost average, a good time to dollar cost average. ADA right now. Another pop-ups. Hate the pop-ups. What about it, papas? So right now we can see the ADA is trading at $2.08, and it's kind of midway between $2.15 and $2 in my zone 1. So ADA is really just going range bound. I think it's going to continue being going range bound. And you know what am I going to do? Well, if this continues till mid-December, then I'm probably going to exit my positions in ADA and probably move it into Bitcoin, guys. So I mean, I'm still in profit. This is not financial advice. So if ADA doesn't start making some moves by mid-December, I may start to unload about 50% of it, moving into something else, because it's getting pretty boring, getting pretty tired. Solana in the house is Solana in the house, more pop-ups. Wow, this is like pop-up city. So Solana in the house right now is at 232. It dropped a little bit, guys. I'm still very confident. You know, we're still trading within this $2.10 zone and the 260 zones. So I believe that if we look at here, we have some really good support around this level right here. You know, we got rejected, and this is holding a support. So we got support once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. So I wouldn't worry too much. I think that's some really good support level right there. Let me just turn that green. And I think that we will be probably staying in that area. And hopefully once Bitcoin makes its mind and makes the move to the upside, and that's going to happen around Monday, we should start to see that there's going to be more pumpage in the house, guys. So let's take a look at the coins in the house, and then I'll let you get out of here. So right now we're seeing that Bitcoin is down. It's almost neutral. So it's 64,990. It's still up for the week, over 4.35%. We're seeing Ethereum in the house is at 4,779, as I said, and that's up 3%. So Ethereum is coming back. The altcoins are actually pumping a little bit harder than Bitcoin is, which is to be expected as we see the Bitcoin dominance drop, guys. So it's looking pretty good. Don't forget to smash the likes, guys, and super chats in the live stream. If you got a question, super chat the OG in the house. Show some support, show some love, because I love you guys. This channel wouldn't be possible without you guys in the house, guys. So BNB is at $634. That's up 2.4%. It was 8.2% from all-time highs at 691. ADA is really driving me nuts. It's at 209. It's down 1.14%. Also, Solana is kind of a sad day for Solana. It's at 232, but I'm pretty confident that we are going to bounce up from here. And it's down 4% for the week, but overall, over the month, it's still up 55%. So it's not too bad. It's normal for a little bit of consolidation for these things to take some profits. My Doge Wooshi in the house is at 1.35%. It's up 1.35%, and it's at 26.6529, so that's looking pretty bullish. And Dogecoin is flipped to Shiba Inu, and the total market cap of Dogecoin is 35,193. And right now, Shiba Inu is up 4.4%. It's at 54. It's come down slightly from where it was yesterday. It was up over 11%, so it's still looking pretty good for the week. But we're 39% off from our all-time highs, guys, and we're at 31.7 is our total market cap. So overall, we're seeing that a lot of old coins are picking up right now. So if you had done some dollar cost averaging yesterday, congratulations, you're in the money right now. Algorand has come up 13%, so good for Algorand. VET is still down, but overall things are looking pretty good, pretty peachy keen. So with that being said, guys, don't forget to go to my Twitter, and don't forget to subscribe BYB over there. Let's see if we can get this over 4,000, and don't forget to go down there. Follow me on Twitter, smash the likes, super chats, comments, subscribe BYB in the house. Do it now, guys. What are you waiting for? And don't forget to go down and check out all my Linky Winkies. Become a Patreon member, buy the channel coffee, support the OG, show some love. And also you can find the link to my merch, guys. We got lots of merch. We got a new product. We got the Mug to Mug. You know about that. I love the Mug to Mug. Get the Mug to Mug. Full of joy, full of hope, guys. And also we got this teddy bear, the teddy bear thing. Don't forget, this is the wife's channel. Happy Wife, Happy Life. Go subscribe over there. And we got the teddy bear wear the beardy wear, and it's like $19, guys. And it's got a beautiful T-shirt. It looks like the OG a little bit. Get the bear. Don't forget, we got hats, we got hoodies, we got all sorts of good stuff, guys. So with that being said, I just want to say God bless each and every one of you. God bless my members. God bless my supporters. Go back and watch all of these videos, guys. Go back, comment. Watch them over and over again. I appreciate it. I love you guys. See you in the next one. God bless each and every one. This is the Ric Flair of crypto love in the house. Love you all. God bless. Make every second count, guys. Remember, I was in the hospital. It was a close one. You never know when things can happen. Hug your wife, hug your kids, support the community, support your neighbors, support the world, support yourselves. Be positive, and God bless each and every one of you. I love it. You love it. This is the OG. Peace out, guys.